Hello ladies and gentlemen, Andy here from Rolling Hops Beer Tours in Toronto, Ontario, Canada, coming at you with a weekly beer tasting. We got a really cool one for you today. This is from our bestest friend in the Junction neighborhood, the one, the only Junction Craft Brewery. So it's actually a collaboration they did with the Society of Beer Drinking Ladies. It's right here, very awesome color. We have the P.O.P or the P.O.P, the Purple Oat Pale Ale. So what I absolutely love about this from the get-go is the really cool color. You got this kind of weird mauvey gray silver kind of, some people might not think it's the most appealing color, but I think it's beautiful. So I'm gonna take a nice little sip of the P.O.P. So definitely those tasting notes that are quite prevalent with any pale ale, so get those lovely hops going. But also what's really unique about the P.O.P, the O stands for oat. So this is a mixture, the malt itself is a mixture of barley and oat. So you get those oats which make a really kind of nice, flowing, smooth taste in your mouth. It's actually made with butterfly pea flour, so that gives it some of that really unique color that I absolutely adore. Us at Rolling Hops Beer Tours, we adore two particular neighborhoods. We talk about them all the time. We got on the west side, the Junction, on the east side, Leslieville. So the Junction neighborhood, we adore it. We actually run our summer, spring, fall tours through the Junction neighborhood, and we definitely stop at Junction Craft Brewery. So can't say enough wonderful things about it. Again, so many wonderful breweries popping up all over Toronto, the Junction neighborhood, perhaps the epicenter of such a city. Thanks so much for stopping by, ladies and gentlemen. We got the P.O.P. Make sure to grab it while you can. And remember, craft beer is here.